Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. And we are back 3 years later at the Rustic Inn in Jackson, Wyoming, very close to the Teton Mountains. In fact, the highway that we're on, if you turn one way, you're in the town square of Jackson, actually walking distance of the town square of Jackson. If you turn the other way, you are at the entrance of the Grand Tetons. Okay, so we are in a King Creekside cabin. It is worth paying the extra money for, and I will show you in a minute why. That is a sleeper sofa. This cabin happens to be cabin 105. And is super convenient to the nature trail, the fire pits, check-in where they have the restaurant where there's complimentary breakfast. You've got a refrigerator, a microwave down here. Your coffee bar here, complimentary waters. This is the second time we've been here, and if you look on our channel and go back a few years, or just Google it, we do have a walking tour of the property as well as of the previous video of a different cabin. The toilet has its own little room, and even though the bathroom is kind of exposed, when you're showering, you just close these curtains. Okay, here's why you pay a few extra dollars, maybe $100, maybe $2, depending on the time of year or their availability, why you pay for a Creekside private cabin. So everyone who stays here has access to walk along the nature trail and enjoy these Adirondack swinging chairs, but there's not a lot of the private cabins that come right up next to the creek where you have your own front porch with your own Adirondacks. We've got some geese. We've seen deer here, fox, and coyote. And up here, anyone who's staying here can walk the nature trail, and they light the fire pits at night. And it's wonderful. So there you have that. And then we'll just give you a quick little property tour. You've seen the best of it, so this particular cabin happens to be super convenient to the front desk and the front parking lot and the highway, but it's very quiet. Right there is check-in, and the main bar and restaurant are in that building. They also have on-site coin-operated laundry pool, hot tub. There's a spa. And all of that is just beyond here, past this cabin. Okay, there you have it. So a cabin 105, private king Creekside cabin. Feel free to look back on our channel for the other Rustic Inn videos. One is a walking tour of the property, and the other is the other cabin, which is a completely different view on the other side of the property. Okay, thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Happy travels. If you feel like we've helped you with your planning in any way, we would love your help by building our channel and subscribing. Feel free to leave comments or questions.